Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make auto-blogging money making a website using WP Automatic. The process of creating an auto-blog in WordPress is much easier because all the content will be automatically generated from the other news website, and also you can automatically import Amazon product in your site. What is an autoblog in WordPress? Autoblog, or an automated blog, is a website that automatically pulls content from other websites using RSS feeds. Auto-blogging is a process using which you can automatically create new blogs, add contents gathered from various sources, and post that blog. And it is done by software. Yes, you need automation software for it. We will be using WordPress Automatic plugin, which is a paid plugin. To start autoblog in WordPress, you must have to invest some money on purchasing WordPress Automatic plugin. Paid version also gives you advanced features to customize. 2. Creating an autoblog in WordPress. Starting an autoblog in WordPress. The first thing before you start an autoblog website is to select a profitable niche for your blog. Don't choose multiple niche category. For example, if you have created a blog related to technology, then provide tech-related articles. Videos. Don't jump directly from the tech category to another category like dancing, music, etc. You should not confuse your visitors, and also provide truthful information on your article. Don't do copy-paste from any third-party websites. If you have done selecting a profitable niche, now the time to purchase a domain name and a hosting. If you already have, then it's good, but for those who think to purchase a domain name and a hosting, then you're at the right place, because we will be providing you flat 70% off on any hosting and get 70% off on purchasing a domain name. Start an autoblog in WordPress using our recommended hosting: Bluehost, an official WordPress, and WooCommerce. Recommended hosting provider. To give our viewers a good discount, they have agreed to offer our users a free domain name, free SSL certificate, and a discount on web hosting. Thanks, Bluehost, and SiteGround, an official WordPress and WooCommerce. Recommended hosting provider has agreed to offer our users a free domain name, free SSL certificate, and a discount on web hosting. Purchase WordPress Automatic plugin. Before creating an autoblog in WordPress, we need a premium plugin called WordPress Automatic plugin. It is the paid plugin. You can get this plugin for up to $30 if you purchase this WordPress. If you have finished purchased the WP Automatic plugin, now you have completed the first step to create an autoblog in WordPress. Now the second thing, to upload this plugin on your WordPress. So come to the WordPress Add New Plugin section and upload this WP Automatic plugin. After you have completed the above following points, now come to the WP Automatic settings page and first swipe down and activate the license key, which you get from the ThemeForest profile section. After it's done on, now you can see many campaigns where you can run these all campaigns by placing the ID, and later you can automatically generate the post or by using the RSS feed. Creating an autoblog in WordPress. The first step is to activate the eSign articles, so that we need to get the Google Custom API key. Visit to the developer.console.google.com and log in with your email. After that, read the Google Custom Search API key article for better understanding. If you have successfully created the API, copy that API key and paste it under the eSign articles settings and click on Save Changes. The above process will help to get the unique article from the eSign articles website. 2. Let's go further and create a second campaign, which is the basic campaign. And it is very useful for creating an e-commerce website. It helps to add unlimited Amazon products automatically in your website. While creating an Amazon ID, you don't need any secret key and access key. You just need a simple Amazon Store ID to get the ID from your Amazon Associates account and paste it under the Amazon Store ID option. There are many more campaigns available if you want to enable. Just simply paste the API key and activate that campaign. After creating an automated post later on, you can edit the article, changing the images, and many more things you can do. You can have the RSS feed from this kind of website. Just click on the link and you will be redirected to the RSS feed section there. You can see many categories. Click on any category and copy the above URL and come to your website. Go to the WP Automatic, New Campaign. Give a campaign any name in which category you're interested, and now there you can see the first option called Campaign Type. Click on that option and select the RSS feed. Once you select the RSS feed, and at the down you have to paste the URL of your RSS feed. Thanks for watching.